Hi, it's Claire here from Inky Inspirations, and today's video is a Papercraft Society unboxing. It is box number 58, I believe, and this month's designer is Time for Tea Designs. I'm a huge fan of Time for Tea Designs. I found them right at the beginning of my crafting journey. I've got a lot of their products. I first begun my crafting journey back in 2020. Oh, this is so sweet. So Papercraft Society, for those of you that don't know, is a monthly subscription box, and each month a different designer creates the content. Like I said, this month's Time for Tea Designs, who is a UK brand run by a lady called Jo. She does live streams on YouTube, and I will try and remember to link her channel in the description below. She is a lone wolf, so she does all her own designs, and I cannot wait to open this box. So, life is like a cactus, thorny but beautiful. How true is that? So I'm just going to bob that to one side for now, and we'll open this folder. Just looks like there's a bit of sellotape there. So we've got the cactus on the folder itself. And oh gosh, there's two sets of stamps in this one. So Time for Tea are renowned for these beautiful little characters. We've got some lovely sentiments. We've got congratulations on your new home, free hugs. How ironic from a cactus. It'd be like trying to hug my 15-year-old. Let's stick together. I'd rather be gardening. Not today, it's bouncing it down. Hope your birthday is on point. So we've got that one, and then life without you would really suck. Thank you for sticking with me. Hello there, friend. Our friendship is always on point. Sorry for being prickly. You can't touch this. Stuck on you and looking sharp. And it looks like we can create our own cacti. We've got an aloe vera plant. Some succulents with different plant pots. We've got some faces, so we can give them little, oh, this is so sweet, faces. A little bow tie. Oh, I've got some good ideas already. Oh, I didn't realise there's a cat and a mouse as well, a bunny. And I think that's a hanging basket, actually. Right. A beautiful stencil, which is actually pretty big. And then we've got the die set, which gives us this beautiful window effect. Oh, I've got a really good idea. And then we can build our own cacti. I'll have to Google that now. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Little bow tie again as smiley face. So this paper, I knew I'd seen it, this paper matches as folder. Oh, and that's similar to the stencil. What papers have we got? So for those that don't subscribe, when you do subscribe, you also get to download the papers, so you won't run out. Oh, some very pretty papers. Oh, I really like this. That's the same as the box. Oh, I like it in white as well. So I'll bob that to one side, and we'll figure out what else is in the rest of the box. So I'll just pull the box back. I always save my tissue paper as well. You never know when that might come in handy. So some alcohol markers. We've got a green, an orange and a grey. Those that do follow me know that I am an alcohol marker girl. These are not a brand I've tried before. I think these must be the Craft Stash brand, so we'll certainly give them a go. A lot of my Copic markers are becoming rather tired and probably are ready to be replaced, or certainly nibs are ready to be replaced. Some little foam, what's the word I'm looking for? Adhesive foam squares. So we can add lots of dimension. Jo's designs are often big on dimension. And she uses the foam squares quite a lot to lift them. I'll put them back in the packet afterwards to lift things off the page. Some beautiful enamel dots. Sticking with the colour theme, the pinks and the greens. And then our card. So we've got 2 greens, 2 yellows, 2 pinks and 2, well, it's a pink, but it's more of a peachy pink, a bit like a salmon pink. So some lovely colours there. And then our booklet with some inspiration. I am so excited to get started on this one. Very excited. I can't wait to use this frame. I've got a really good idea for it. I'm thinking like a greenhouse effect, conservatory effect. So I am going to go make a cup of tea and I'm going to sit down with this and have a quick read and start to get some ideas onto paper, so to speak. Thank you ever so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.